Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of Basics of Mechanical Engineering. So in the previous video, we just discussed about various types of welding process. Among that we have arc welding process, then gas welding process. So these processes we have made a detailed discussion. So in this lecture series video, we are going to discuss about brazing, soldering and welding defects. So among that, in the first video, we are going to discuss about brazing. I am Dr. J.Yokesh Kumar, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering in SNS College of Technology. So let us have a detailed discussion on brazing. So coming to the brazing, so it is the process of joining two metals by applying a heat. So according to the American Welding Society (AWS), so this soldering and brazing can be classified as liquid solid phase bonding process. So why it is called the liquid solid phase bonding process means so we have two parent metals we are going to join. So for joining we are applying a heat. Additionally, we need to supply a filler metal. Here you can able to see the filler metal which is used to join, provide a proper bonding between the two parent metal. So here we are also applying heat on the filler metal. Filler metal is introduced in between the heat zone. Then it is used to join the two metals. So the filler metal is melted in a liquid state and both parent metal are maintaining in a solid state. So that's why it is called the liquid solid phase bonding process. So two parent metals are solid phase and filler metal in the liquid phase. And here we are applying a heat on these three metals. Uh, no parent metal is melted, therefore no metallurgical changes are occurring in the uh, parent metal. So this is the safe process. Next, I want to highlight the difference between brazing and soldering. Coming to the soldering, so it takes place only very low temperatures. Mostly circuit boards used in PCBs, that is printed circuit boards, can be joined by using a soldering process. The temperature is around 450 degree centigrade. Where in the case of brazing, it is takes place at the temperature slightly higher than the soldering process, that is above 450 degree centigrade. Next, uh, uh, we need to discuss about brazing process. So in this process, mostly the pipes used in air conditioners, refrigerators. So these pipes, if you have any damage, that can be soldered by using a brazing process. So typically the temperature is around 450 degrees centigrade, above or slightly lower than the 450 degree centigrade. The materials to be brassed by using a brazing process are brass, bronze, copper, and even we can join glass and other non-metals can be joined together by using a brazing process. The filler materials used in the brazing process, it is normally in the form of wire, rod, or strips, or even skims can be used as a filler material. The usually the filler materials what we are using in the brazing process, so it is same as that of approximately same as that of the composition of the parent metal. Say for example, if you are using a, if you want to brass the aluminum, the filler metal might be a aluminum silicon alloy, or if you want to brass a magnesium, the filler material supposed to be a magnesium aluminum alloy, or if you want to brass a ferrous and non-ferrous, it might be a silver or copper based alloys that is used to join the two metals. And these are all the references for my presentation. My first reference, Manufacturing Technology, Foundry Forming and Welding, authored by P.N. Rao, published in the year of 2030. And my second reference, a textbook of production technology published by S. Chand and Company, authored by P.Z. Sharma in the year of 2014. So in this video, we have discussed about the brazing process and the filler materials used in the brazing process. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for your attention.